Yeah, so in this video, I just want to explain you how are people using ChatGPT. So simply, you are a computer programmer and you have to write a query to calculate time duration between 2 days with excluding non-working day and US holiday. Like we can give anything. So just example, we got the requirement and we have to write the query. What we will do, we will read the question, we will understand the question, and then we will try to make the logic and will test the result. So instead of doing this much thing, we just need to copy the question and paste the question. So what will happen, the all thinking process, making logic process, everything will be done by ChatGPT, not our brain. So just copy the question, paste in answer, copy the question, paste, and get the answer. Now ChatGPT is interpreting the my question and it is making logic for me and preparing the answer for me. So whatever my brain has to do, ChatGPT is doing for me. So like actually I forgot one thing, write a SQL. No, it is giving. So you can see like ChatGPT is providing multiple way to calculate the duration between 2 days with excluding non-working day and US holiday. So similarly, I can ask another question. Write a SQL query to compare year sales per month with previous year sale per month. So instead of making logic, doing anything, I just need to write this query, this question here. So ChatGPT is preparing all the answer for me, and whatever will be best I can use. Let me stop this responding. I have pasted the my question here. Now whatever my brain has to do, it has to think, make the logic, everything will be done by ChatGPT. I don't need to think more, I don't need to waste time. Just enter this, paste the question, enter this. Now ChatGPT started to work and it is preparing answer for me. So you can see the result, how it is preparing answer for me. Like these things I have to do, but instead of thinking, making the logic, writing the query, ChatGPT has done everything for me. So this is how we can use in IT, especially like in IT we can use in anything. Like we can ask to write any code, either Python, Java, SQL, anything. Now you can see the results. Now whichever will be best I can try here. From here I have all the complete logic. Same thing we can do through Google, but in the Google we cannot get this much answer at one place. We have to go and check different website, but here we have all the things at one place with best solution and nearby solution. Thank you.